Hello Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I will talk about the best time of buying, selling or holding a Dogecoin, my friends. A lot of people ask me questions about Dogecoin, that is it a best time to buy, sell or hold XRP. So finally, my friends, I decided to make a video for my viewers, my subscriber, that what is the best decision for all of you, my friends. And this video, let's start the video, my friends. First of all, we look at the latest update, and after that we discuss that what is the perfect time to buy, sell or hold Dogecoin, my friends. At this time, the latest price of Dogecoin in the market is 0.312644 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin in the market. On the other side, you can see here, if you look the price changes of the Dogecoin, so and the last 1 hour price change is positive, except of the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the previous changes of Dogecoin is completely wrong, my friends. Only the last 1 hour price change is positive. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the Dogecoin. My friends, you can see here, if you look the price chart of the Dogecoin, so the price chart of Dogecoin tells us that the last 1 hour price change is positive, and now in the current situation Dogecoin starts jumping, my friends. In the current situation Dogecoin starts jumping, so at this time the price is going good. So I think it's a perfect time to hold, my friends, because as I show you, my friends, that the previous changes is still negative. So if the previous changes is still negative, that means that you are in the loss in the current situation. And now at this time the Dogecoin start pumping, so if they continue this pump for a long time, so absolutely, my friends, you will get a profit from a Dogecoin, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Dogecoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.